here to help us pack Shabbat meals for families who don't have enough money to buy a Shabbat meal. Think about it. You guys go home and on Friday, your mom has cooked the most delicious meal with the most delicious food. But there are people who go on a Friday and open up their refrigerator and there is nothing in the fridge because they just don't have the money to do it. So what we do is we pack boxes of things that we know people will love for their Shabbat meal, but there's enough left over so that they can have food during the week as well. You'll see how much food we put into the boxes.
Delivery people come and they pick it up and they drop it outside the people's door. They just knock and off they run so that nobody can see who's dropping it. It's all anonymous.
What I've learned today was that you can only share a mitzvah.
One thing I learned from today is that not a lot of people had that couldn't celebrate Shabbos, and they got all these boxes so they could celebrate it. I learned from Simchat Shabbat that not all families have enough money to afford a meal, so we can make boxes for them. In Simchat Shabbat, that people who don't have money, they get food, and they even have more food than I have for dinner. Today I saw the people that were working here doing a big mitzvah and making food for others.
So many people are having